Hidden along the coastline of St. Ann, far from the noise of Ocho Rios, sits a quiet stretch of paradise known as the Columbus Cove, or simply the Cove. On the ground, every step feels slower and softer. The rhythm of Jamaica shifts here. Follow the trail along the cliffs where the ocean crashes against the jagged edges, carving out hidden tide pools and raw coastal beauty. With local flavors in the air, jerk chicken to rum punch, and the sound of the breeze through the palms, the Cove invites you to disconnect and just exist. This is a true hidden gem in Jamaica, waiting to be discovered. There are places you visit, and then there are places you discover. Welcome to the Cove.